Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube episode. And on today's episode, I'm gonna do something special. That's right, I got my chopsticks and I got Japanese Tonkotsu Ramen. It's roasted chicken flavor, and I'm gonna teach you how to cook it, just the way the Japanese cook it, with an egg on top, or two eggs actually, because I put two instead of one. I don't know, a lot of people, they decide they want to put two or three, it don't matter. But I'm going to put a sunny side up egg. So the first thing we're going to do is open this up. This is the roasted chicken flavor. There's different brands out there, you know how Japan is, they got different packagings and stuff in the vending machines, but this is Miami, the United States of America, and I don't think there's vending machines like Japan where they have this stuff, unless you go to 7-Eleven or Oriental Market. Anyways, this is a pretty simple step process. You open this halfway where the line is. Take these two packets out, and you put this vegetables packet first. It tells you right there anyways, number 1, and then the other packet would be number 2. And then you kind of just spread it around. Then you want to put it up to the fill level line in the middle there. Just like that, where the fill line is right there. And then you kind of just, the instructions tell you 4 minutes, cook for 4 minutes, so the microwave is in back of me. Save this for later, because that's step number 2. That's the powder stuff. That's the powder stuff that has a sodium. But whatever. Then you get this. Any cooking spray would do. A little bit of cooking spray. Crack the egg. Put this on high. Move the chopsticks aside so they don't get burned. Put some salt and pepper. I like to mix my salt and pepper together in one thing. Just kind of like how Subway has it. As you notice, the Tonkotsu ramen, it's starting to smell good in the microwave. You can smell the steam. Then you kind of just cover it up, Once you're done covering it up, you just leave it there on high until the thing gets cooked, and you're good to go. And basically now it's just a waiting game. So yeah. This is a pretty fast process, guys. There's really not much to it to make the Tonkotsu Ramen with the sunny side up eggs on top. It's usually when you go to these Japanese restaurants in Japan, because I've seen a lot of YouTubers going to Japan, and they go to these places in Japan, and every time you go into one of the places, that's their specialty. Ramen, you know, whatever ramen it is. Ramen and hot green tea. You know, and a sencha. And or matcha. Depends. I haven't been to Japan, but hey, it's always, that's what YouTube is for, eh? You see it on YouTube, and it's almost like being there. Or you could do the street view on Google Maps, which is what I do also when I want to look around the streets on Japan or something, you know. And they have all those Japanese anime stores and all that, and all those tall buildings. Oh, and the Tonkotsu Ramen is done. The eggs are almost done. Alright, the eggs are done. Yeah, see the Tonkotsu Ramen is done. You see the steam. See the steam come out. That's good. Throw this away. You don't need this instructions anymore. The last step would be to, well, you just pour this here all over. Yep, I'm all out of soy sauce. So, that's why it's good to have these little packets. And I like to add a little bit of water. And just kind of mix it up a bit here. And then last but not least is the egg. You just throw the egg in there and that's about it. And then the real last thing to do is clean the dishes when you're done. Haha. Anyways, that is Tonkotsu Ramen with boiled sunny side up eggs. And now I'm gonna eat it for lunch. Thanks for watching this YouTube episode, and stay tuned for the next YouTube episodes to come. See you later, guys.